Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sivathmika Chavali. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. In today's video, I'm going to solve 1780. Check if number is a sum of powers of 3 or not. This is day 6 of being productive in coding. If you find my video as helpful for you, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and please support me. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. So basically, in this problem statement, they are asking to find whether that number is a sum of powers of 3 or not. If it is not powers of 3, we have to return the false, and if it is powers of 3, we need to return the true. So basically, here they are asking sum of distinct powers. That means it should be unique. The power should be unique. If you want to solve this problem, you need to know how to convert a number into the base of 2. This is normally a basic one. So normally how we will convert a number into base of 2? We will just take the remainder of it, and we will do the division operation of that number. So here we will use base of 2. As it mentioned base of 2, we will do with the help of 2 number. Here they are asking to sum of powers of 3. So we need to write that code, but here we need to replace the number 2 to number 3. I will explain you. So basically, while n not equal to 0, and I am initializing int reminder n mod, here instead of 2 we need to keep 3, and again n equal to n by 3. So basically what is happening here means, if you take the example of true condition, that is 12, so 12 mod 3, it will give you reminder, right? In rem it will store 12 mod 3, 0, right? And then here n divided by 3, 12 divided by 3, it gives 4. Again it will check 4 is not equal to 0, so while loop will be executed. Now 4 mod 3, it gives reminder as 1, and again 4 divided by 3, it gives 1 as our n value. Now 1 is not equal to 0. Yes, it is not equal to 0, so while loop will be executed. Now 1 mod 3, it gives our reminder as 0, and 1 divided by 3, it gives n value as 0. 0 not equal to 0, it's a false. While loop will be not executing now, and it will simply return true, because our entire while loop is executed, and at last our reminder, we got n value as 0, so it is fully completed, and it is perfectly the power of sum of powers of 3. For that's why we returned false, we returned true, I'm so sorry. But what about the false condition? How can we tell whether this number is not at all sum of powers of 3? Here comes the challenge. What is here means, normally the reminders should be 0 and 1, and they are asking the sum of distinct powers of 3, right? Distinct in the sense unique. What if we get reminder as 2? That means we are using the power, same power repeatedly. That means twice. So we can write the condition here for the false condition. If reminder is greater than or equal to 2, that means we are using one power repeatedly. Then we need to return the false. This is the main concept for the false. If the reminder is greater than or equal to 2, that means in some condition we are using the power of 3, something power of 3, twicely or repeatedly. For that's why we are returning false. Let's execute the code. It passed. Now I'm going to submit the solution. So it passed. Time complexity is O log n, and space might be 1001. Yes. So this is all about the video. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel.